Good day everyone! Ituturo ko sa inyo paano nga ba mag-divide ng fractions. Let's say for example, number 1, meron tayong 1/5 divided by 1/3. Okay? To divide fractions, ang gagawin nyo lang ay cross multiplication. Okay? So, multiply muna natin yung 1 and 3. 1 times 3, that is equal to 3. Then 5 times 1. Now, since nasa lowest term na siya, hindi na natin kailangan i-simplify into lowest term. Okay? So, our answer is 3/5. Now, let's try number 2. We have 2/5 divided by 3/5. So, multiply natin. 2 times 5, that is 10. Over 5 times 3, that is 15. Kailangan natin itong i-simplify in lowest term by dividing both numbers by 5. Okay? Kasi ayan ang GCF niya. Now, pag divide natin to, 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Then 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So, therefore, our answer is 2/3. Okay, let's try number 3. We have 3/8 divided by 2/5. So, again, para mag-divide ng fractions, we use cross multiplication. So, 3 times 5, then 8 times 2. So, 3 times 5, that is equal to 15. Then, 8 times 2, that is equal to 16. Okay? So, I think nasa lowest term na ang 15 over 16. That is now our final answer. Number 4, we have 3 divided by 2/3. Remember, kapag whole number, meron niyang over 1. Okay? Kaya, we cross-multiply this 1. So, 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. Then, 1 times 2, that is 2. Now, to simplify this in lowest term, i-divide lang natin. 9 divided by 2. So, 9 divided by 2, that's 4. 4 times 2, yan ay 8. Subtract lang natin, that is 1. Okay, so, we have 4. So, yung quotient niya, lalagay natin dito. Then, yung remainder will become yung kanyang numerator. Yung divisor na 2 is our denominator. Okay? So, 9 over 2 is equal to 4 and 1/2. Okay? So, that's how to divide fractions. Thank you for watching.